collect the chair, collect the chair. Hey, welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
We know say this one I want kind, but we go do because we know say they brought himself Sabi for the package. Welcome on top of the show. You look everywhere.
I didn't see the whole.
If you do anything, if you just lie down,
this is not parlor, not bad.
Not bad. Anything you want, if you carry come, you know, if you just lie down for this place like this now. But for back we get swimming pool, different level, ATM can't do somewhere for
Correct.
that place, you know. Just every just do okay.
A full package, I like them.
Stu Baba.
Yes, sir, my
welcome,
brother.
welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
Hey, we don't say where question won't start from. Where it won't start from. Because as it be like,
from where it starts.
From where it starts. Because as it be like, what be like this now. Now, quickly, because we not to get time to waste to do so many things on top.
Yes, sir.
You just recently changed name.
Bagam, officially.
Bagam, as in, before it be like play, but now don't have official things.
Now official. Nah.
Okay, first, what been prompt the whole changing of name, Waka?
Now growth. Now say, okay, I don't grow past one setting.
Okay.
So, I need to just change. I need to just enter the next phase now.
For the whole matter.
So as I don't be Baba now, I could turn on to two Baba.
Abi? Yeah, at least at last. Don't be as you don't.
Yes,
don't be like as the Baba way be now. I got to change that to two Baba things. Correct. But most people be never to know. Say the whole thing don't change one kind because some people say I've been
You know, say what's happened? Be say. People don't call me the name already.
See, state you understand. Yes.
So, but this time around, I decided to just claim her, make it become official.
You could just officialize the whole level.
Yes,
All right.
So.
But because this question, they did my mind since because I know so for any young person way there outside there, all the reason say this level where you don't reach now because as it be, your humility. And most people don't tell you this, and you yourself know. I don't meet your younger brother. I don't be the one who follow you. You get other bros ready for the back. Me and him don't meet one time. We yarn for radio that year.
Okay.
And I noticed that thing, all of you now get and one kind. Say na upbringing, na the family, I mean, na the name where they carry give you as innocent. Now they follow you for the whole level.
Well, I think like you just talk, Sha, maybe I could just say our upbringing and the environment where I grew up.
Okay.
Because for me, I just be myself. And if person say, you humble, like take them as compliment.
Okay.
And I appreciate them. But I just be myself. I just wait till be that.
Okay. Because last some people there, some people there. It don't reach that level where you there, my brother. Entourage, we go enter this place. Oh, they go blow siren inside the studio. But we thank God for your humility and we really appreciate them, really. And we say so many young guys where they watch like guys, they also they learn from the whole level. You be like cats we get 9 lives. Not be joke because. We they follow two about G's, they come right from time. I remember I've been there that year when, that your album dropped that year and they scatter everybody head that year. And the two-face from that, the two-face back then to the two Baba way day now. What be the difference if you go look back? Say, okay, that guy that year when the album dropped and this one now way day. What you go say be the difference between the two?
Wow. Say as I sit down for here, I go only tell you say the difference now, many experience where I don't get, but in terms of the music, the difference not too much because I still my voice, and I still
true.
The pattern of some kind of way where they write
songs, yes.
And some kind. I mean, you understand what I talk.
I get you.
And like they talk, nothing is new under the sun.
True.
So many things what they do nowadays, now just recycling of what you
done day before.
Just in a just to
add some kind, just
use your creativity now, just create your own pattern of the team. So that's why I would say I'm still me, man. I'm still me. Only say gradually. Old age they involve.
Don't they enter
different things they involve, small. So. But apart from that, that's still I mean.
That's still the same person.
Bagam.
Because if you look the whole thing, because sometimes, some days back, myself and some guys will just play the whole time with the drive, Just say, man, that year, From I mean I want the name really, but because that album, man, in Weekend Die. Like that time you sing that song, say man.
Back to back.
If like say the ginger will do your body that time. I say man, they are the hunger. See they must know because you know say from the times of Plantation Boys when you come finally bust out and everybody come feel say man, no this guy he get what to offer us like this now. But two,
yeah, man.
For the whole level now, based on the change of name things and everything. Now, you know, say one other gbedu don't drop right now.
Yes.
Coded things.
Coded things.
So when I hear that title, I go they say okay because the two I know I don't see you perform on stage so many times and it's some spiritual side where they drop. You get 1 year that year for reading unplug or so.
Okay.
Light off, whether that light and sound just go off. But your microphone will still they work. So just the boss too. Everybody at that spiritual level. Now smarting for the worship. Oh, now smarting for the worship and small kind of rain come be like spiritual level. You understand? So based on these coded things now, things. What will be the idea behind the coded things level? Say some kind of coded waka day.
Yeah, the coded waka now. You know, say the coded things. The actual idea for coded things now. You know this relationship now where we say you go like to just keep from the so that maybe people no come chook eye too much, make come spoil stuff. True. You know as some guys they now we say they just want to make it just be you and them.
Okay, true.
Just they say you come, you go pack 5 of your friends.
Yes.
The same way the other way around, even for the babe side.
For the babe side too.
Then say sometimes they one day with your guy alone.
Yes.
But the guy go just every time he go pack him friends.
Carry friends, they call the
cram their style. Yes. So I just basically make we just do this thing. Make we no allow anybody disturb us.
Okay. So but for the because you don't work now around the whole world as far as I'm concerned. You know, how you go relate our music for Nigeria here, join the ones that wait there for us for outside. Because I know say you now don't go far and wide, don't sabi based on everything now. How you go say our music for here and that side?
Yeah, man. I say our music they standard.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Anything we get everything where anybody get for any part of this world. You know, any part of this planet, any part of this whole galaxy, we get anything where anybody get.
Now, Jamona, they hear before they look down on our own self.
Yeah. You understand? We get anything where anybody get musically. We get quality music. We get, different type of music.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. The only difference now, the only thing where they happen is say you get some parts of the world where somehow they don't technologically
advance
and otherwise they don't advance.
Yes.
You know, so they don't get one monopoly over world.
Okay.
Their own music come out, go enter the whole world.
Exactly, because they hold the power for
But if our own come out, now our side they go just dey first. Then if they lie, they go just grill us small. Just they carry
true.
But now we don't spread enter that side. Then say they don't see and they know they fit deny them again. You know, so gradually we will conquer the world with our music.
Okay. You know. Gradually from two. Yes, gradually we'll conquer the world with our music, and I will not say from correct sports like you that we don't already represent Nigeria. I remember that year when African Queen enter maybe 5 girls. I say now so now what you want the CBDs, now what you want the CBDs. You know what it be the because I know say different crazy fans day. When they worry, what be the craziest thing when any fan don't worry you? Say two. What be the craziest thing?
Oh boy,
or if you name several. Several.
Oh boy, like last year, you get one this thing I go away. One babe just I don't know as it just deceived the bouncer. Like say tell bouncer say why didn't they fight for that side?
Oh, that's how you come off face.
Like that just bag up. Then when that speed where she used enter state, that's what she used. But I nearly fall.
True.
You know, so she as I come up, drag her. As they drag her, she grabbed me tight.
Say na lie, I die here.
And they tell you,
I die
tight.
here.
So they come out her hand. Then she just remove her top. One remove her this thing just say before they just say I beg.
I beg. Okay, what do you want?
I beg. Just no go discuss this thing. You know, but that was crazy. Yeah, a long time ago again, man. You get one way we say the girls they just rush me. Then some of them they try to.
They chook and say we want feel things. When we say that machine gun and every. But seriously, man, because fans speak crazy.
Crazy things.
But on the other side, waiting be one of the most precious things where you don't get from any fan. Like based on words or say they just come block you say two. Say particular thing, maybe that one particular song or something where you do. The most beautiful thing where you don't get from any fan.
Wow. You know, say now I don't get a couple of, you know, and if I just select one person.
One person. Hey, but if you name several, we all talk say you don't forget the remaining.
I don't do many shows where many people don't come out their chain, give me.
Okay. And that one is significant.
Come out their watch, give me. Come out their bracelets. You know, some remove their cap, give me. You know, some actually, you know, jam me somewhere.
Yeah.
Talk some very nice things.
You know, yeah.
And then at the same time, still give me advice.
Okay.
Still tell me what in and feel say. When we say I still say yes, na genuine talk, na straight, you know, talk and I appreciate all those things. Many of those things that people give me still they my house for one corner now.
Okay.
I just keep them somewhere. You get somewhere we say before I leave that place, you don't lost. You get somewhere.
Some wrong men there. You know, some wrong men go sit there around.
But you get the ones that we say I still deal with them.
Correct.
I keep all of them, you know, as so many others.
Correct. That means you supposed not the open museum now. They keep some kind of artifacts. Some kind of things there. Even with the awards and everything there, because honestly the award not they finish.
It go happen.
All right, too. As the living legend where you still be, so can't begin on the happen for industry these days. You say because you supposed to settle quarrel now. If don't go to the settle quarrel, A2 fit the settle quarrel too. You understand? As the baba where you be,
nah, so nah.
You understand? So how far? Because
man, the thing, you know, say this young man, their blood they hot.
You know, be small hot.
Their blood they hot. The blood say the season. The blood say one.
They
spray one gas.
Exactly.
When they create the hour to the gas.
All man head they hot. Say okay there.
I just don't want it to get out of hand. I mean, once in a while, people they get fracas.
True.
Once in a while, people they don't see any other means to discuss within their grievances be. And they feel like say, okay, now to just shout them out there, so that make the people judge this matter for them. You know, so
maybe what people talk to the judge.
You understand? But you know, I mean, not crazy development, a crazy thing, but you know, I want to be saying make it don't just get out of hand.
Out of hand, exactly. You
know, make everybody watch themselves.
You know. Okay.
Make them settle them as coded things.
As the coded things, where it's supposed to be. That's so. All right, two. Any moment from now, because you say you won appreciation concert some time back.
Yeah.
For your peeps, them.
Yeah.
People will they see more stuff like that? They come from you.
Definitely. I mean, if I see stuff where you know they're very very on point and worth celebrating, I'll definitely appreciate and celebrate those type of things and those type of people.
Okay. So that means definitely in the future if we see more of that kind of waka, possibility still there.
Yes, so definitely.
Okay. Every artist who don't carry come here, most especially the younger ones there. We say, okay, who you go like future? Maybe I say the start and everything. On the list, we tell that now before we even ask the question finish. We'll say no call to because everybody that the list with that, the first for the list. You know, but for you, for example, you ever plan to say, oh yeah, make I retire for this music thing?
Man, you know, say music no get retirement. You no get retirement.
But that's why I come out one time saying don't retire, I no retire again.
Music na like, you know, football get retirement this because you get time where we say
your leg go weak. True.
That's you know, all these sports. But music, man, sometimes the older you are, the the sweeter the flavor, depending on how you, depending on what you write about and how you take present them.
Yes.
You know, sometimes the older you are, the more wisdom, you pencil down.
And so you could change your kind of writing where they write.
You understand, you know, the more mature your sound you get. You know, so it could come be like wine where they get better with age.
Yes, with age, exactly. Exactly.
So that at least that one are you know, say you know there for the, you just be like I go put himself. You still get what
we understand the whole level. You don't really talk about
the general youth, general, you know, and the young guys that then get that side, that then go, you know. You know, but the older generation and the older people, they still get us, you know, some things still they reserve.
Exactly.
For some class of old, you know.
Hey, they get their own crowd.
Gentlemen.
You know, they don't feel shout crowd.
They don't feel shout crowd.
You also keep your day, you don't feel shout so much, you know. All right, on the final P now, too. Your advice to young people out there, you know, because you know so many of them, you know, once you cough like this, they hear, they listen. Aside from the fact, say good music, aside from all that, even with your experience for the full industry, you know, your own advice to every young Nigerian way they out there, even the one who want to do music or they don't just want to pursue career or anything, from your own experience from life and even the industry and your own personal, you know, ups and downs, what would be the advice we could give to any young person outside there?
Oh man, what I would tell them, man, if, you know, I would just tell them, say, look, let them develop themselves, let them start to develop themselves from an early age. Like, you know, once you don't be conscious of yourself, once you don't be 16, 17 years of age, you're supposed now start to think like man. You know, supposed start to develop yourself. If you get any special skills where you get, start to develop them, start to, you know, because one thing about Nigeria now, and because of the way politicians don't come,
do their own thing,
different people come.
Yes.
Today this person no get shishi, tomorrow because he just he just turned to excuse me. Because he just turned to commissioner or he just turned to senator, just all of a sudden
bam,
see money everywhere. IT happen.
Overnight.
You understand what I'm saying? So it can't affect the mindset of the youth. Everybody now just believe in hammer at once. Bam.
I want blow.
Blow. So nobody they actually develop themselves. Nobody they actually
take time
to like you know really get into the groove of how to maintain steady income, how to save, how to plan, how to do all those things.
Okay. So
my advice is say they just start to develop themselves and then maybe they start to you know plan and then invest and then you know I mean for the ones who don't make money already.
Yes.
So I mean invest on something.
Okay.
Because to rain not be forever.
To rain not be forever.
They do like this.
Up and down day.
So when that downtime come,
the one we don't keep down.
Person who don't believe in himself too much. Because he could say he's ashamed to come outside. You understand what I'm saying?
Not be
going down to form say that you go pass everybody.
Before you know it, you take your four press.
The rate at which people all these boys hold these days.
Oh no, it be like blood for me.
I can't wonder other than the same music.
See, not everybody do abi. Because they shock if you see Instagram pictures sometimes, you go the shock say come, like some other thing join this thing though. Maybe you not know. Say if they ask come, what's be the way forward?
You know, I mean, but I dey proud of a whole lot of young guys with it. Then they make them, then they actually they discipline themselves, then they walk, then they move, then they make them. You know, but they get some when I just.
You just do for guy like this.
I just Instagram make it.
Bam. You know. That was day. That was day.
You get some who just face the hype. Forget say
the work day.
Forget say the work day.
Exactly. All right, too. Thank you very much. You don't join us on top of the show.
You too much.
And would they believe in the coded things? Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. They jam the whole thing. They go. Yes, sir. If you not just enjoy the video, they wanna just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.